my channel. My name is Val. Today we are going to be reviewing this Imperfect produce box, and that is everything that I have to say for this intro, so let's get started.
Whip.
Okay, I'm in a really big rush because I have to go, but I really want to open this for you guys before we go. So, first thing that happens whenever you open this Imperfect produce box, we have got, I don't even know what this is. Oh, this is just like a packet of frozen stuff, so that it doesn't get cold, okay?
You mean warm?
Or warm, yeah, so that it doesn't get warm. Next, we've got a ton of paper. Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, so we have got some fresh kale. Wow, this looks incredible. Oh my gosh, oh, that is so, wow, okay. We've got some green bell peppers. We have got some broccoli. We have got these adorable little pluots. I didn't know what these were, but I thought that they looked so cute on the website, so I just got them. We have got some carrots. These look literally perfect. Like there's absolutely nothing wrong with them. We've got some snap peas. We've got, what is this? This is cabbage. Hi. This is a little squash, a summer squash. They're going out of season, so like not a lot of people are buying them anymore, or like not a lot of stores are buying them anymore. So I'm pretty sure that's why they're in here. And also you could consider this like zucchini. Lastly, we have got a couple little apples. These are so cute. They're a little bit bruised. This one isn't bruised at all, but this one's a little bit bruised on the side here. But other than that, it looks like totally fine. They're Honey Crisp. Oh my gosh, I like Honey Crisp. Those are good. And then this third apple is completely clean as well. Wow, this looks so good. I'm gonna insert here a clip of me explaining a little bit more about Imperfect Produce and why I chose to get this. And also in a little bit, I will come back and we will try a ton of these foods and we will do a taste test. And that will be it for this video, which I will be uploading today. I didn't even mention this, but it is September 11th and I'm supposed to upload tomorrow. I have another video planned and it's a apartment tour, and so that's gonna go up tomorrow, Friday, on my usual upload day. But then I'm actually gonna be uploading this video today so that you can just see it, because it's simple and cute, and yeah, that's all. Okay, enjoy whatever comes next. Bye. Hi, I know that this is terrible quality, so I'm just gonna speak very, very quickly. I am currently filming from my laptop, which is where I edit. Imperfect Produce is basically a company that takes produce that gets rejected by grocery stores and other retailers because it doesn't fit a certain image. And so what happens is retailers reject a large amount of produce, and additionally, a lot of farms often create more product than they actually need. So within the food industry, there are often surpluses of food that don't actually get sent out anywhere. And so ultimately what Imperfect Produce does is it buys those spare foods that get rejected or just haven't been sold yet, and then sells them on their website for a discounted price. If you choose to buy from them, all that produce will go in a box and then they'll ship it directly to you, which is why in this video I am unboxing the produce. I personally have chosen Imperfect Produce as my source of buying generic fruits and vegetables because I've been trying to go waste free for a little bit and really give all of my purchases more intention, and I felt like Imperfect Produce was a really great way to do that, seeing as produce is something that I personally buy almost on a weekly basis. So that's really all I've got to say. So back to the video. So I have cut up all of the veggies that we received in our produce box. I cooked some of them that are typically cooked, so I've got some broccoli in here, I've got some zucchini or summer squash, which is what the website called it. I've got some snap peas. I just threw them in the air fryer with some coconut oil and salt. And then here I've got a plate of fresh veggies. These are straight from the fridge. I've got the pluots, some kale, the carrots, apples, green bell peppers, some snap peas that are in fact not cooked, and then some broccoli that's also not cooked, and finally some cabbage. I washed all the produce, and additionally, this is one of every single kind of vegetable or fruit that I got. So let's go ahead and do a taste test of every single thing and make sure that it's solid and up to par with Perfect Produce, and then we will say our goodbyes and you will happily on your way go buy your own Imperfect Produce box. So let's do this. I'm gonna try the green bell pepper first. Perfect, tastes just like a regular green bell pepper. All right, next I'm gonna try this apple. That is like the best apple I've ever eaten in my life. I'm not even exaggerating. This carrot is the ugly carrot. I'm gonna insert a picture of it here. I would say that it was probably the ugliest piece of produce, ugliest that we got in the whole box. Let's go ahead and try this one. It tastes just like a regular carrot. Things look different on the outside, but that doesn't mean that they're not equally as valid on the inside. Okay, moving on, let's go over to our kale. I love plain kale, so if you're not a fan of plain kale, totally understand. Oh, that is good kale. I'd say this isn't the best kale I've ever had, but it's pretty good. I'm so excited to try these. We have got some pluots. Oh, they're so good. I've never had a pluot. I saw them on the website and they look so cute and good. So I just decided to get them because they're cute and good. Also, I would say out of all the produce that we got, this is probably like the one that looks the most beautiful and perfect and like awesome. Let's try this cabbage next. Okay, so I would say I probably did not cut this right because that was an extremely thick piece of cabbage that I just put into my mouth. Maybe I have to cook it. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look up what this is. I thought it was just regular green cabbage. Maybe it is. I'll have to look up what I did wrong, but it felt a little bit too thick, not like the usual stuff that I put in my mouth. So we will see how I'm doing things wrong, but it tastes fine. It tastes just fine. A little bit spicy, kind of like arugula. So that's interesting. I've never had cabbage that tastes like arugula. Next, let's go ahead and try some snap peas. Oh, so good. Wow. Let's go ahead and try this fresh broccoli and then we will be done with our fresh plate. Tastes just like regular broccoli. All right, plate one, done, complete. It's delicious, it's perfect. You can totally buy Imperfect produce and know that freshly it tastes amazing. Let's try these cooked veggies. I'm gonna go ahead and try this broccoli first. Oh, bitch. That's so good. Little salt, so yummy. Let's try the summer squash or zucchini next. Yep, that tastes like zucchini. And then lastly, our cooked snap pea. It was delicious. I'm so freakishly satisfied with my Imperfect produce box. I totally recommend that you get one. And because my camera is running out of battery and I already have reviewed all of these things, I will bid you adieu. And I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day and that you come back for my Friday upload and that this helped you out a little bit because I'm sure a lot of people are curious to know about Imperfect produce and how it works. So I guess that's all I have to say. Bye! Oh my gosh, guys, I just figured out that a pluot is actually a mix between a plum and an apricot. Isn't that crazy? Oh my gosh! Please try pluots. Okay, bye.